In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve math problems step by step with Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, ask the right question, and understand the solution it returns. Start by opening Grok AI. You can do this on the official Grok website in any modern browser, or directly from the X app if you have access there. Make sure you're signed in on your device so you can use the chat smoothly without interruptions. If the page doesn't load right away, refresh the tab or check your connection before moving on. Next, open the chat interface. This is the space where you'll type your question. You should see a text box at the bottom. That's where everything happens. If you're on mobile, tap the compose area. On desktop, just click into the field. Now enter the math problem you want to solve. You can type equations, word problems, or formulas. Be as clear as possible. Include all given values, units, and what you're trying to find. If the problem has multiple parts, paste them all at once so Grok has full context. You can format expressions with parentheses for clarity, like 2 are 3 2, or simply describe the situation in words if it's a word problem. Quick note while we're here, you'll find the download link for the app and the website link right at the top of the description, so you can jump in immediately on whichever platform you prefer. When you're ready, ask for a step-by-step solution. Prompts like solve this step by step, show your work, or explain how to get the answer guide Grok to lay out the reasoning clearly. You can also add constraints such as use algebraic method, avoid approximations, or explain each transformation, if that helps your learning style. Review the solution carefully once it appears. Read through each step to see how the problem was set up, what rules or theorems were used, and how the final answer was derived. Check units, signs, and any assumptions. If you're practicing, try pausing after each step to predict the next move. Then compare your approach to Grok's. If anything isn't clear, ask for clarification. Point to the exact part you want expanded, like, explain how you factored this expression, or why did you substitute this value here? You can request an alternative method, a simpler explanation, or a brief recap to reinforce understanding. That's how you can solve math problems step by step using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.